Okay, some of you are taking math in Odyssey in my classroom. And so, what I'm going to do for the next few weeks is review some basic math concepts, make them a little harder each week. And I want to challenge you to do some problems also. And this should help with some of the math problems that I'm sending home every week for you to work on. So, the first problem we're going to work on is an algebraic equation 2x plus 3 equals minus x minus 6. So we want to solve for x, meaning we want x on one side of the equal sign and all the numbers on the other side. So step one, we're going to add x to both sides and subtract 3 from both sides. When we do that, we get 3x equals minus 9. Okay, like that. Next thing we're going to do, step two, is divide by 3 both sides. Whatever you do to one side of the equation, you have to do to the other side for it to balance. So that gives me x equals minus 3. In the final step, I always like to check my work. So I plug minus 3 in for that original equation, and I get minus 6 plus 3 equals 3 minus 6. Remember, a negative times a negative is a positive, and minus 3 equals minus 3. So it worked. Now, I want you to try on your own solving 4x minus 2 equals 2x plus 8. You should get x equals 5. If you don't get that or you're struggling, send me an email and I will show you how to solve that equation. All right, I'm going to turn to the page and we're going to work on a slightly more difficult problem. In this case, in this equation, we have two letters, x and y. And I want to solve this or rearrange this equation so that we have y on one side and x and all the numbers on the other side. So I'm going to add x to both sides and add 2y to both sides. When I do that, I get 4y equals 8x plus 4. Okay, 4 is a constant. All right, step two, I divide by 4. Y equals 2x plus 1. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 4 divided by 4 is 1. Okay? Now, I want you to try on your own solving 2x plus y equals 6x minus 3 plus 8. You should get y equals x plus 2. If you don't get that or you struggle, send me an email and I'll help you solve it. All right, thanks. We're done.